In this video, I am going to show you an excellent pocket option strategy that will help you to make profitable trades on a daily basis. So watch this video very carefully. And if you want some free profitable binary signals, then make sure to join my Telegram channel to receive it. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, what I will do is I will exactly show you by turning my $100 tournament balance to $1,000 by using this exact strategy that I am going to explain you, and then after that I will explain you this strategy. So watch this video very carefully, don't skip any part. Okay, we are going to use the 5-second candles and 5-second trading time frame. Okay, so watch this video very carefully. I will not talk now, I will show you my making trade and turning $100 tournament balance to $1,000. So guys, as you can see how beautifully I turned $100 tournament balance into $1358.96 within few seconds. Now I will exactly describe you this strategy, and please do watch this video very carefully. Okay, don't skip any part. I will explain each of my trade executions so that you can literally copy this strategy and make profitable trades for yourself. Okay, but before that, if you want to get free binary signals to make trade on either an pocket option or IT option, then you can join my Telegram channel. Okay, I just provide you free signals in that Telegram channel. You can join it and use those signals to make profitable trades too. So now let me explain this strategy. So guys, this was my first trade which didn't go right, but it also didn't went wrong. Okay, I was able to recover this in that same trade. Okay, it was not a lost trade, but as you can see here, this was the support for this fall. Okay, and it was in the middle and it was sharply falling down. That's why I made a trade by clicking on lower, and I didn't make a loss in this trade. Okay, so now I'll explain another trade. So this was my second trade, and as you can see, this market have already broke out the resistance, right, and it is sharply going up. That's why I made a trade by clicking on higher. Now in this trade, you can see this is the support for this place. Okay, this was the support and it is falling down. That's why I made a trade by clicking on lower in this trade. Similarly, this was my last trade, and as you can see here, I have made a trade at here, and here was one support. Okay, for this trade, and here you can see market was beautifully falling down. Okay, and it would fall up to here. That's why I made a trade by clicking on lower.